appreciate that. Welcome back, drivers. We hope you enjoyed your ride on Gwazi. Please lift up on your left arm and unbuckle your seatbelt. Collect all personal belongings and exit quickly and carefully to your right. Thank you for riding out at Gwazi and have fun during the rest of your day at Busch Gardens. Please step carefully but quickly into the seat that's directly in front of you. Once seated, secure loose articles in the seat pouch behind your legs and fasten your seatbelt. Please do not attempt to pull down on the lap bar at this time.
Yeah, something flew.
I saw that too. I wasn't sure if it was like a mask or if it was...
Yeah, I'm about to go back on the footage and see.
Yeah.
That's definitely one of the best coasters in the U.S.